There are different types. First one is distillation. Another one is liquefaction. Another one is electrolysis. Next one is zone refining method. Next one, vapor base refining. Next, chromatography. Next one, Rolls process. Next one, potting process. Next one, vacuum, arc, furnace, refining. Next one, polling process. Last one, cupellation. These are the method refining of crude metal converted into pure. First one is distillation, liquefaction, electrolysis, zone refining, vapor based refining, chromatography, roll process, potting process, vacuum arc process is a polling process. Last one is a cupellation. How to discuss one by one. First one is distillation. What is the meaning for distillation? Distillation of low boiling point are easily volatile metals. Example, zinc, cadmium, mercury. This process known as distillation. Here, distillation of low boiling point are easily volatile metals like zinc, cadmium, mercury. This can be distilled to form the pure metal. This process known as distillation. Second one is liquefaction. This method used for concentrate and metals of high purity. Examples, bismuth, tin, mercury, etc. Here, this one is a low boiling point, that is a melting point, then convert to the impurities. Here is metals of impurity can be removed by using the liquefaction. Ore particles and magnetic particles are made into flow on the sloping earth. Here, ore and impurity particles can be separated. Impurity particles can be separated as a high melting impurity. This process is known as liquefaction. Third one, electrolysis. This method used for purification of copper, silver, gold, etc. There are different methods. First one is anode. Anode is an impure metal. Another one is a cathode. Cathode is pure metal. Another one is a electrolyte. Electrolyte nothing but aqueous solution of salt. and passing current pure metal gets deposited at cathode. Cathode which carrying the positive, which carrying the negative charge, this reduction takes place. Anode which carrying the is what negative positive charge, this one undergo oxidation. Oxidation means loss of electron. Anode which carrying the positive charge, cathode which carrying the negative charge, electrolyte and passing the current, pure metal can be deposited at cathode. Cathode which carrying the negative charge, metal which carrying the positive charge deposited at cathode. This process known as electrolysis. Another one is zone refining. This method used for purification of silicon, germanium, gallium and indium. These all are used as a semiconductor. One more question may be asked. Silicon acts as is a what type of conductor? Good conductor, insulator, semiconductor. So answer is semiconductor. What are the metal going to be extract? Silicon, germanium, gallium and tin. Here impurities of metal more melted in the liquid state than solid state. Here metals of high purity can be obtained by the removal of impurity substance. This process known as zone refining method. Another one, paper phase refining. This method involves removal of impurities by converting the impure metal into volatile compounds. Point number 1. Point number 2. Decomposition of volatile compound to convert it into pure metals. These are can be classified into two types. First one is a Mann's process. Another one is a von Arkel process. Mann's process it is used to purification of nickel and iron. For example, nickel is a solid impure metal. Treatment with some of the suitable reducing agent maintain the temperature 50 to 80 degrees Celsius to formation of complex 4 times. Here is a nickel 1 time, is a 4 time. This one volatile compounds. Volatile compound further treated with 180 to 200 degrees Celsius to formation of nickel is a pure substance plus carbon monoxide 1 times, here 4 times. What is the major importance of Mann's process? Impure metal converted into volatile compound. This volatile compound decomposes at 200 degrees Celsius to formation of pure metal. Pure metal's melting point higher than this temperature. This process known as Mann's process. Another process, von Arkel process. method it is used to purification of titanium, zirconium, vanadium, hafnium, beryllium and silicon. For example, zirconium is a solid impure metal. This is treated with a suitable reducing agent iodine, made the temperature 600 degrees Celsius. Here, zirconium valency 4 to formation of zirconium tetraiodide. This is a volatile compound. This is a volatile compound decomposes at 1800 degrees Celsius to formation of zirconium solid pure metal plus iodine. Here one zirconium, here 4 iodine, so 2 times, here is 2 times. This method, impure metal is converted to pure metal. This one melting point higher than compared to this temperature. This metal can be separated. This process is known as Van Arkel process. Another method, chromatography. This method used for purification of lanthanide. This method based on the different component of mixer can be adsorbed and the adsorbent. Lanthanides are purified by ion exchanger. Here ion exchanger acts as an adsorbent. This process known as chromatography. Another method, roll process. This method used for purification of titanium. Here, reduction of titanium tetrachloride by using the more reactive metals like magnesium, calcium, sodium converted into titanium. Titanium valency 4, so TiCl4. Magnesium valency 2, so Cl2. This process known as roll process. Another process, parting process. This process it is used for purification of gold from the copper and silver. Here copper and silver act as a impurity. This impurity present in the cold ore, this can be removed by using the sulfuric acid and the nitric acid. This process known as a parting process. Another process, vacuum arc furnace refining. Another process, vacuum arc furnace refining. Here, this method it is used to purification of titanium, zirconium, molybdenum, which has the high melting point. What is the meaning for vacuum arc furnace? Crude metal is made into electrode. This electrode is melted under arc furnace. What is the meaning for arc furnace? Heat is generated by the arc, maintain the temperature 3000 to 3500 degrees Celsius. by using the vacuum. This process is known as vacuum arc furnace refining. Crude metal is made into electrode. This can be melted in arc furnace by using the vacuum. This process is known as a vacuum arc furnace refining. Another one is Poling process. This method it is used for purification of copper and tin. What is this method is? Air is blowing through the crude metal with the flux. Here impurities are is a volatile or escaped as a gas or passed into the slag. Remaining finally, pure metals can be covered with low sulfur coke, which is a prevent for the further oxidation. This process known as a Poling process. Here air is blown through the crude metal with the flux. Here impurities are is a volatile nature, easily oxidize and escape as a gas or pass to the slag. Finally, pure metal can be covered with low sulfur coke, which further prevent the air oxidation. This process known as a Poling process. Poling process it is used to purification of copper and tin. Last final one is cupellation. Coupled means pot shaped bonas are made up of cement. This is the same process from the Poling. This method it is used to purification of silver from the lead. In the silver ore, this impurities of lead present. That lead can be removed by using the cupellation. So to formation of silver, this process known as the purification of silver. These are the method for purification of crude metal. First one is distillation, another one is liquefaction, another one is electrolysis, another one is zone refining, another one is Van Arkel process and Mark process. These are the method for the vapor phase refining. Another one is chromatography, another one is rolling, another one is parting process, another one is vacuum arc furnace refining, then Poling, last one is cupellation. These are the method for purification of crude metal. Next one is furnace. What is the meaning for furnace? It is a device at a high temperature produced by the burning of fuel or passing the electricity. These are classified into different types. First one is this furnace. It is a device at which a high temperature can be produced by using the burning of coal or passing the electricity. First, there are classified into 4 types. First one is a river putty furnace. This one used for oxidation and reduction purpose. And another one used for roasting and smelting. This furnace used for roasting and smelting. Another one is a plaster furnace, most probably used for the smelting. Temperature at bottom 1500 degrees Celsius, at top 200 to 300 degrees Celsius. In the furnace, bottom temperature 1500 degrees Celsius use, at the top temperature 200 to 300 degrees Celsius use. Another one is a muffled furnace. This one used for when temperature require the high position. This method used for when temperature is what, that is a high temperature require, that one used for muffled furnace. Another one is electric furnace. These are classified into 3 types: induction furnace, arc furnace, resistant furnace. What is the uses for induction furnace? Is to maintain the temperature (3000 degrees Celsius). This one maintain the temperature arc furnace maintain the temperature 3000 to 3500 degrees Celsius when heat is what produced by using the arc. Another one is a resistant furnace. There is a resistant furnace, temperature is what require 3000 to 4000 degrees Celsius. One more question may be asked: 3000 to 3500, what furnace used? Option 1 is inductance furnace, option 2 arc furnace, option 3 resistant furnace, option 4 river putty furnace. Answer is arc furnace. Very important. The temperature may be asked in the 1 mark. This is known as electric furnace. This one is a special type of furnace. Another one, some of the terminology used in the metallurgy. First one is minerals. Another one is mining. Next one is ores. Next one is gangue or matrix. Next one is flux. Next one is formation slag. These are the terminology used in the metallurgy. First one is a mineral. What is the meaning for minerals? The naturally occurring chemical substance of metals present in the earth crust. This name is called minerals. Another one is mining. The process in which ores can be extracted in the earth crust. This name is called mining. Another one is ores. the mineral from which metal can be extracted conveniently. This name is called ores. Another one is a gangue or matrix. The non-metallic impurities like sand, clay, quartz, rock particles are associated with ores. This name is called matrix or gangue. Another one is a flux. The additional substance added to the ore in order to remove of impurity. This name is called flux. Flux can be classified into two types. Flux can be classified into two types. First one is acetic flux, name is silica, formula SiO2. Another one is borax, formula Na2B4O7, taught 10 times of water. This one added to the basic impurities. Another one is basic flux, magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate. Another one is hematite. These are called basic flux added to the acetic impurities. For example, this one used for extraction of copper, this one used for extraction of iron. For example, extraction of copper from the copper pyrite. This is a sulfide ore constituted by the Froth flotation. This undergo oxidation to formation of sulfides of copper and sulfides of iron. This name is called matte. Here matte FeS undergo reaction with the oxygen to formation of oxide and SO2. Balance equation, here 1 copper, here is a 2 copper, so 2 times, iron is a 2 times, sulfur is a 4, here 2, here 1, oxygen is a 2. Here matte is a FeS, react with the oxygen to formation of FeO. This known as a basic impurities. Acetic flux added to the basic impurities to formation of fusible slag. FeO react with SiO2 to formation of FeSiO3. This fusible slag. This one is a basic impurities. Basic impurities treatment with acetic flux to formation of slag, name is iron silicate. Another one, extraction of iron from the hematite. In the hematite is a ores of iron, coke, calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate acts as a flux. extraction of iron from hematite. Hematite is ore combined with coke plus calcium carbonate. This calcium carbonate acts as a basic flux. Basic flux is treated with acidic impurities. Impurities and flux combine to formation of slag. This name is called classification of flux. Classification of flux, there are two types. First one is acidic flux, example silica and borax. Another one is basic flux, example for magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate. Another one is iron is oxide. Last one is slag. Slag formed by the combination of gangue and flux. For example, gangue may be called as a FeO. Flux, this one is a acidic flux SiO2 to formation of FeSiO3. This one formed as a slag. Slag nothing but impurities. These are the terminology used in the metallurgy. What are the terminology used in the metallurgy? First one is minerals, mining, ores, gangue or matrix. Another one is flux. Last one is slag. These are the method for extraction of metal from their ore. What are the methods? First, ores converted into partly concentrated ore. Partly concentrated ore is converted into concentrated ore. Concentrated ore converted into impure metals. Impure metal converted into pure metal. First type, concentration. Concentration, there are different types. Gravity separation, electromagnetic separation, flotation, chemical method. Another one is reduction of concentrated ore converted to oxide, roasting, calcination, smelting, reduction. Reduction can be classified different types: chemical reduction, auto reduction, electrolytic reduction. Another one is refining of crude metal. There are different types: is distillation, liquefaction, electrolysis, zone refining. Another one is vapor-based refining, chromatography, rolling, parting, coaling, cupellation. Last one is vacuum arc furnace refining. These are the method for extraction of pure metal from their ore. This name is called metallurgy.